My video guide is about getting rid of the online scam that is related to the website Esoftwareplus.online. Esoftwareplus.online is a dangerous site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. The purpose of these pop-ups is to persuade people into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted programs. The website might display some frustrating messages periodically, trying to encourage people into clicking on this special button. And when people mistakenly do that and click on that instant cleanup button, they may be brought to some other deceptive pages that may promote some other potentially unwanted software. So if you see these pop-ups by Esoftwareplus.online, don't ever interact with them. Do not download or install anything that they suggest. As I said, these pop-ups are not decent and they try to force you into installing some programs that are not really decent either. I would recommend you to carefully research the control panel and then uninstall any suspicious programs if you find them. So get rid of them if you find them on the list. To make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then begin researching and investigating your system to detect and eliminate other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.